In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split text into two columns in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To split text into two columns in Google Docs, go to Google Docs and open your document. And here I have a document of 5 pages. And I want to split this document into two columns. Go to Format tab and then go to Columns. And here by default one column is selected. Just select two columns from here and look, the texts are split into two columns here. If you want to split that text into three columns, go to Format tab, go to Columns and select three columns from here, and look, the text are split into three columns. If you want, you can use more columns. Again, go to Format, go to Columns, more options, and here select which one you need. And this is the spacing. You can change the spacing size and click on Apply. This is the easiest way to split text into two columns or three columns in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.